This lightweight stroller just got an upgrade, but is it the best for parents on the go?
We're trying the Bugaboo Butterfly too in case you aren't able to.
This has a really easy one-handed fold right on the handlebars. There's 2 buttons. You're just gonna press them and push down. And then make sure you close it to lock it. It's gonna stand on its own too, which is really convenient. Even though this is a one-hand fold, you do need your second hand to lock it in place. You're gonna hear that click, so that's something to consider. Once this is folded, you can see it is very sturdy. It's not wobbly at all. This stroller is extremely lightweight. It's 16 pounds, which you barely even feel it. This has a new elastic strap, which is really convenient. I feel like for any height, it's gonna be very comfortable. It's not gonna be too stiff. And it like retracts too, so it stays pretty hidden once you're not using it. This seat is extremely comfortable. It's really roomy. You can see how wide the seat is. Also, I think the height is really nice if you have a taller toddler.
Yeah, and it's padded throughout.
It has an extendable canopy. You can already see here, it has a lot of coverage.
Oh, I love when it has this additional
Yes.
little lip.
You can extend it. A lot of shade. If you did want to have some just like mesh for just free sun coming through, you're gonna lift that and there's gonna be a little mesh area back here.
Okay, so we have some extra ventilation there, which is always nice.
The harness is a 5-point harness, so keep in mind you probably are still gonna have to use 2 hands, especially if you have like a squirmy toddler. You wanna make sure everything is buckled, but it is really nice. If you need to take it off, it's just with 1 press.
Yeah.
What's really nice is you can recline. It's almost a flat recline. It's not flat, but it's really comfortable. The footrest on here, you can move it, which is really nice. There aren't 2 buttons on the side though. It's even easier. There's going to be a little handle here. You're just gonna pull it. It's gonna go down, but you can do it a second time and it can fold all the way in.
Oh, wait, that's really cool. I feel like you never see them that go all the way down like that.
It's definitely easier too if you wanna like store your bag. It's attached to with the elastic, so anytime you fold it down, this padding is just gonna kind of follow with it.
I think that that is really greatly equipped for like littler babies and bigger toddlers too.
The fabric on this, really nice. It's gonna be water repellent. It's also 50+ UPF.
This fabric feels very high quality. It feels very chic, especially for a lightweight stroller. You don't see this fabric very often.
But then also what's really great is the padding on the inside. You can remove it and you can wash it.
Love anything that you can wash.
Definitely.
Toddlers like to snap. Gotta get all those crummies out.
Yeah. The basket, I love when the footrest is up because you have easier access just to put your storage in the front or in back. It's gonna hold up to 18 pounds, which I think is a great feature, especially if you're running errands, you have multiple bags, bottles, everything's gonna fit under there.
I like this mesh like stopper too, so that things don't fall out.
And the back also has a higher stopper too, so your stuff's gonna stay in place. And then it has the mesh on the sides as well. Which
perfect
is
for going like up and down curves and things like that.
If you push this, you're gonna feel this is so smooth. Turn it to the side, it's gonna be really easy. Even try with 1 hand. It's gonna be very nice.
Very effortless. I think the ease of being able to push it with 1 hand is always a win. It does seem like it can swivel side to side, get through crowds, tight spaces.
Yeah, it has a narrow frame. You see the back wheel, so it's definitely gonna be easy to maneuver in those crowded spaces.
Narrow frame surprises me for how comfortable the seat seems.
You're gonna feel how stable it feels considering it's a lightweight stroller.
Definitely very sturdy. Doesn't feel like it'll topple over or shift while you're pushing it. A really seamless brake too.
Yes.
It's pretty wide. Like you don't have to go looking for it.
And you're gonna hear that click too, so I feel like that's gonna be reassuring. You know it has the brake on. The wheels are gonna feel really sturdy. They're actually rubber wheels, and they're a little larger too. That's the upgrade, which is really nice. You can use it with your newborn. As long as you have the right adapter, you can put a car seat.
That makes it really easy to grow with your baby. From newborn, and then once you take the car seat off,
To toddler.
then toddler.
Exactly. I love that.